Hi, today we have a 2016 Mercedes Sprinter in service, 3 liters diesel or 642 engine. This van has errors in the system due to malfunctioning NOx sensors. But this and other DEF issues will in no way prevent us from performing a software removal of this system. Using this van as an example, we will show you step by step how the installation process of our device looks like. If you have a radio without display or an aftermarket radio, you will get one OBD2 plug plus 2 bags with microSD in the package. Now I will show you how to use it. Before installing the device, you need to perform 2 necessary steps. Fill the DEF tank. Charge the battery. To charge the battery, start the engine and wait 30 minutes. Now the van is ready to install our device. Switch on the ignition. To do this, turn the key to the right until the second click. All lights on the dashboard should illuminate. Wait 20 seconds for the system to fully load. To the left of the clutch pedal, you will find a cover. Open it and find the OBD diagnostic connector. Carefully plug in the device into the OBD connector and press to get a good contact. The light should turn green, then it starts blinking. We need to wait for the light to completely go out. That should take a few minutes. Update installation is finished. Unplug the device from the OBD port. Switch ignition off. Carefully remove the cover from the module. You can easily do this by hand, gently pulling the edge of the cover along its longer side. If you find it difficult, you may use a knife or similar tool. Carefully remove the Step 1 update microSD from the microSD slot and insert the Step 2 reset microSD. Then close the module cover. Now follow the same steps again. Turn the ignition on, key to position 2, and wait 20 seconds. Plug in the device into the OBD again. The light should turn green, then it starts blinking. Wait for the light to turn off for a few minutes. Reset installation is finished. Unplug the device from the OBD port. Start the engine 3 times, check if these starts remain, and check engine errors disappear from the instrument cluster. If the errors on the dashboard remain, run Step 2 at least 3 more times. If this does not help, do not follow the installation steps and let us know. If there are no errors on the instrument cluster, turn off the engine. Carefully remove the cover from the module. Replace the Step 2 reset microSD with the Step 3 delete microSD. Then close the module cover. Now we're ready to install the Step 3 delete. Now follow the same steps again. Turn the ignition on, key to position 2, and wait 20 seconds. Plug in the device into the OBD again. The light should turn green, then it starts blinking. Wait for the light to turn off for a few minutes. Delete installation is finished. Plug out it from the port. Start the engine. Check to see if everything is okay. You may get a check engine on the dashboard. This is normal. Carefully close the OBD cover. To remove the check engine, the DEF control unit must be disconnected. Move the driver's seat as close to the steering wheel as possible. Underneath, you will find the DEF unit and a bundle of wires with a black plug connected to it. To easily disconnect the plug, push the clip backwards. Now the installation is fully completed. The check engine is gone. You can continue driving without restrictions. You can place an order at OBDtune.com. Please be available. Our manager will contact you to confirm order details within a few hours. You can also ask us questions on WhatsApp or email. Technical support is available on WhatsApp and email only. Links and contacts can be found in the description.